when they take away the cash, and once again, it's just for our convenience, of course, they want to get rid of robberies, it's for your safety. If you don't carry cash anymore, then you're going to be, safe. Of course, no, it's not about that either. It's pretty much to make sure that there are no restrictions anymore on the quantity or on the amount of money they can actually create, and some balances, whatever. And there would be no repercussions anymore. On top of all of that is you will no longer be able to save up money, because if you do, they might come up, they already have done so, negative interest rates. So you're actually losing money if you leave it sitting in the bank. But you can't get it and stuff it under your pillow, as our grandmothers might have done it, because there is no cash anymore. So now you're being punished.
Yes, in CBDC, they could put an expiry date.
They can do that, of course, too. So on top of that, you will no longer be able to buy anything without them knowing about it. There is going to be, and once again, it's just, to cut down on criminal behavior and, the black market, shut it all down. No, it's not about that. So, just very rather banal example. Now you have all of this CBDC going on. You have digital ID, of course, will also be brought in. So, and let's just say you go to the grocery store, you do your shopping, and since you expect guests the weekend, you buy, let's say, 5 bottles of wine, right? So you check out, it's all good, and on the way home, you decide to get gas for your car. Well, guess what? You won't get gas at the gas station because you just bought alcohol. Seriously, it's a made up example, but that's how it would effectively work if they wanted to. And I'm telling you, they want to. Why wouldn't they?
Yeah. They want
exactly. Total control. So what will happen if you don't comply? They will just shut down your bank account. And it's not like it hasn't happened before. Look to Canada. It has happened there. There were people standing up for their freedom, for their right not to get some, unknown substance injected into their arms. They shut down their bank accounts. So if there was no cash, what are you going to do? They can just eliminate you with a flip of a switch. It's as simple as that.